Hi, I'm Kurt German with West Coast Multihulls, San Diego, California.
And I'm Guinevere King from West Coast Multihulls and Blue Pacific Yachting.
We're here today aboard Sugarloaf, a 2023 Seawind 1160 Light. Sugarloaf is one of the best equipped Seawinds on the market today, and she is ready to cruise. Let's have a look. One of the unique things about Seawind catamarans are the signature trifold doors. They easily fold into one single panel, which is then lifted with the use of the portside electric winch. This opens up to a single level cockpit salon to create one large indoor-outdoor living space.
Seawind has dual helm stations forward and outboard in the cockpit area. Both helm stations are protected with an overhead roof deck and optional side clears. The location of the helms with removable windows gives you excellent visibility looking through the cabin and forward through the large opening windows. These windows also provide great ventilation not found on any other catamaran on the market today.
The spacious salon with U-shaped settee, large tempered glass windows afford amazing 360-degree views throughout. The contemporary simple design is clean and elegant, making it great for entertaining as well as comfortable for everyday living. Storage is found in the coffee table and under the starboard settees. Batteries and electrical breaker panel are located under the settee as well. Seawind's salon table is mounted on an adjustable pedestal, allowing for multiple use positions. The pedestal includes a gas strut cylinder that allows the table to be lowered and converted into an additional berth or night watch bunk.
Sugarloaf is equipped with an easily viewed flat-screen smart TV and a Fusion sound system. Down below to port is a functional nav station and desk with overhead storage and easy access to the electric panel. Outboard from the nav station are multiple storage cabinets with windows above, including easy to pull down shades.
Moving forward, we find the owner's cabin with queen-size island bed and ample storage throughout. Moving back aft is a large bathroom with separate shower, electric flush head, and vanity with mirror. An easy access door in the back of the shower leads to the roomy port engine compartment.
Heading over to the starboard hull, we find Seawind's signature galley. The galley down affords more counter space with upper and lower cabinets inboard, double bench top freezer, and front-loading fridge. Outboard is a double stainless steel sink with charcoal filtered galley spigot and a 3-burner propane stove with oven. Aft of the stove and oven is a large upright storage cabinet for all your kitchenware.
Forward of the galley is the guest cabin with a queen-size bed and its own in-suite bathroom. Outboard is a storage cabinet, hanging locker, and large window above. Overhead hatches with blackout shades and screens are found throughout the boat. Moving back aft through the galley, we find an additional guest cabin. Underneath the bunk, we find a large storage compartment forward and access to the starboard engine aft.
Back outside, you'll find 2 comfortable bench seating areas with barbecue grills centrally located. The overhead Targa arch supports 400 watts of solar, as well as doubling as the dinghy davit system. The dinghy is an 11-foot 6-inch high-field with 20 horsepower Tohatsu outboard.
On the foredeck are 2 trampolines separated by a catwalk that houses the anchor chain leading to the stainless steel anchor roller and a 45-pound CQR anchor. Forward of the mast is the lazarette that contains the generator and propane locker. Forward of that is the locker containing the anchor windlass. More storage is found in 2 forward lazarettes separated by another locker designed specifically for storing a second anchor. The sail configuration consists of a fully battened mainsail, self-tacking jib, and asymmetrical spinnaker in a sock.
Sugarloaf is one of the best equipped Seawind 1160s on the market today. Optional equipment includes AC and heat, generator, water maker, and top-of-the-line B&G electronics package, including radar, autopilot, and AIS. Thank you for joining us today on Sugarloaf. For more information about this boat, to set up a boat tour, and for more information about our charter placement program, please visit us at charter-catamaran.com.